thing about this is we make the bowling custom to the size of the building or to the wish of the customer. We can do a lot of different features on this installation. We can build it without an approach, we can build it with a long approach, we can build it with a very long lane. So
good.
there are
It's
many
adapted.
different features to create your own installation, and so the customer always has a unique installation. And that's the whole fact about Funball.
D'ailleurs, pour tous ceux qui souhaitent les contacts des différentes entreprises qui étaient exposants, n'hésitez pas à nous contacter, on pourra vous partager tout cela. Ciao, ciao!